In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar in Outlook. Adding a calendar can be particularly useful for organizing your schedule, keeping track of important dates, and ensuring that all your events are in one convenient place. So let's dive in and get started on this simple process. First up, you'll want to open Outlook, and as you navigate through your home screen, pay close attention to the left-hand side. There, amidst the various icons, you will notice a calendar icon. Clicking on this will transition your view from emails to something a bit more structured, your calendar interface. Once you've opened your calendar view, the next thing you'll see is the option to Add Calendar. This can typically be found at the top of your screen, often cleverly nestled among other useful buttons. Clicking on Add Calendar brings up a few options. The one that interests us here is Create Blank Calendar. This is an excellent feature if you're looking to customize your calendar experience from scratch. After selecting Create Blank Calendar, you will be prompted to enter a name for your new calendar. This is your chance to get creative or be straightforward, depending on your needs. You might choose to name it something simple like Work Schedule or Family Events. The key here is to select a name that will remind you of its purpose when you look at it later. Now that you've named your calendar, it's time to add a splash of color. Outlook offers a pleasing palette you can choose from. Selecting a color that differentiates this calendar from others can be incredibly useful, helping you quickly identify it at a glance among a multitude of other scheduled tasks or dates. Go for something vibrant if you want it to stand out, or perhaps a softer hue if you want it to blend in with your overall Outlook theme. Once you've chosen your color, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Outlook will guide you smoothly through the final steps as you tailor your calendar to your unique preferences. Remember, these prompts are there to help, offering practical suggestions and ensuring you've got everything set up correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new calendar